That my little shawty, that my little baby, that my little shawty, oh, that my little baby, that my little shawty, oh, that my little baby, that my little shawty, shawty, that my little baby,
that my little shawty, that my little baby. She so finesse, she so physique, she make my toes curl when we get.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Erica Denise, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be on how I make my synthetic wigs, or how I put them on, how I make them look natural, look fleeky or whatever. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's just hop right into the video. Okay, right here I'm just trying to see if I'm in frame, and I was, but then I got out of frame. So then I'm just putting on, well, taking some alcohol to remove all the makeup that I had on, as you can see. And then I'm getting out my edge control and my sturdy toothbrush, and I'm just slicking back my edges up underneath my cap, or my wig cap. Then I'm putting it down almost always over my eyebrows, and then I'm just gonna get some of the Got To Be Glue, the black one, yas. And then I'm just gonna put that right in front of my hairline, like on my face. And then I'm just taking a brush and kind of just mushing it into the edges of my hair, basically. And then I'm gonna take my blow dryer and I'm gonna blow dry it for like a minute, and I'm gonna use it on the coolest setting because that's how it dries the fastest. So right now I'm just taking some, I think this is like my setting powder, but you can use anything. Sometimes I use liquid foundation or whatever. And basically you're just gonna start putting it all over the cap where your lace is gonna be, so it can look like your scalp underneath. Now I am cutting the excess cap off now that our gel has dried, and I'm kind of just cutting around my hairline. And if it comes up a little bit, it's okay, you can just glue it back down. And then I'm gonna blow dry it again for like 30 seconds. And then now we're gonna flop on the wig. So basically I put the back on first, and then I make sure none of my baby hairs are in the way, and then I just plop it right on my forehead. And then I go in with the blow dryer again and just make sure everything is melted and meshed together. Now I'm getting my toothbrush out again, and I just have a little bit of water on it, and I'm just trying to find my baby hairs. So I'm just pulling them down, and then I'm just gonna style them how I want them to be. So you can see it already looks like I already did my baby hairs, but I'm just now putting the gel on so they can stay. So first I was just using water, and you do your little swoosh thing. I didn't show it, but usually I just, oh, there it goes, hold it, you hold it, and then you swoosh it. Now I'm just brushing out this hot mess, and I'm going in with a straightener on the lowest setting so I don't melt it.
as you can see, it's getting pretty straight, and I kind of love it. And I'm so sorry that I'm freaking out of frame. Like, my tripod's broken, so like, I don't know what I was doing. Okay, y'all, so that's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe down below.
Ate my dick, I caught her on them bars. My pinky ring, extra large. Phones all in the garage. Remember my first Menard? Yeah, Toy and Britney. I'm shopping for diamonds at Tiffany's. Now I don't.
That my little shawty, that my little baby, that my little shawty, oh, that my little baby, that my little shawty, oh.